Hello, this is just a clarifying video lecture on DDL, DML, and DCL. From the previous lecture, there was just kind of an overview in the SQL environment. So now let's just take another look, right? So DDL is associated with the top box. These commands, or the commands associated with DDL, defining the database, creating tables, creating indexes, creating views, setting up referential integrity with foreign keys, dropping tables, right? And dropping tables just means gone, and truncating tables, which is to remove all of the data from the tables. So DDL it starts off when you're using the physical design. So in the first step in the physical design of a database management system is creating the database, and then creating users and creating tables. Of course, DDL is also going to be used throughout the lifespan of a database management system when you're maintaining it, because you're always going to be creating new users, changing people's passwords, all of those kinds of things are DDL, right? Some people think of, oh, well, if you're going to change a password, isn't that data control language, DCL? No, it's not. As far as a database management system is concerned, when you're changing someone's password, you are altering a user. You will actually use the alter keyword in the command. So that is actually DDL. So you're actually changing a user by changing their password. So then we get into DML. So in DML, you're going to be inserting data, you're going to be updating data, you're going to be deleting data, specific rows, and that's not the same as truncate. You can delete all of the rows. That's not the same thing as truncating the tables. Truncating is really going back to disk and actually removing space. Whereas deleting simply eliminates the rows. The space is left on disk. So two different things going on there. And then when we're talking about the select statement, that's what we're going to be spending most of our time on, and that's really we get into how many students are taking this course this semester, that kind of stuff is select statements. And then we get into data control language. These commands are the grant command, the revoke command, and the add command, all of which are associated with privileges. We're going to use DCL when we're implementing the database, because we need to grant permissions to users that are created with DDL. So we use DDL to actually create users. We use DCL, a data control language, to provision privileges to users and to revoke, right? And that really gets into the maintenance phase. So again, just a quick little clarification on the differences between DDL, DML, and DCL.